Welcome back to Tells Hobbies. In this video I'm going to show you my new train. It's called an early BR standard 2MT number 78019. Image of the train running and different angles and give you a good view of the detail. I got a train just a few months ago, the Lord Nelson class, which I've done a video unboxing video on. I had got a few problems with that. It ran quite good for the first few days, but then it kept on derailing, and then a little bit of the metal bit broke off it. So I got in touch with Hornby and sent it back, and they refunded the money, so that's good. And I've repurchased this new train. So I did quite a bit of research online, and I wanted a train that was going to be really reliable and run really nicely on a curved layout, especially on different reviews and different forums. And this one seemed really good, and it's got a lot of detail. It's quite, I like the sort of scale of it. It's not a big loco, really smooth on the curves and on my layout. It goes over all the points really nice. I've had no issues so far. Runs so smoothly, really impressed with the detail, and it looks fantastic. So I'm really happy with it. Yeah, I just thought I'd share this. If anyone's interested in getting a new train, I can recommend this. It was really nice, really happy with it. I just want to say thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.